Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi 15. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, tap on whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to, you can input this key by clicking on Input Key section, typing in all of those numbers and hitting Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!